knock over the bottles? I won't need 3 tries to do that. Must be the wind. Sun was in my eyes. Yes! 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 Nina, did you see this? Your picture's in the paper.
What? No way.
They're calling you and Jorge the hot dog duo.
Oh, Jorge, we look so silly.
No, it's great. You're famous. She's right. Everybody in town is gonna know who you are.
Correction. Everybody in the country is going to know who you are. All the newspapers ran that photo.
You're more than famous. You're a star. No, I'd say a superstar. May I have your autograph?
Oh, stop. It's just a picture. But, Mr. Solomon, can I have one of those newspapers to show my parents?
I got 'em all for you.
Wow, thanks. The hot dog duo. Oh, boy. Hurry, Jorge, we're late for the game and we've got the only ball.
Mommy, it's them. The hot dog duo. Can I have your autograph?
Oh, you don't really want my...
Please? I just love that picture of you two.
Really? Well, sure, okay.
Him too. Him too. Thank you. Thank you.
That was kind of fun. Okay, let's go.
Oh, hold it, you two. Hey, what do you know? The hot dog duo. Look, I put your picture on my cart. Here's a free dog for you and Rover.
His name's Jorge.
Sure, and I'm Hank. Attention, everybody. Hank's Franks is proud to be the official hot dog of the hot dog duo. And look, here they are.